Well, they were unusually calm seas, but there was trouble up ahead. An ocean dotted with icebergs, and that spelled doom for the Titanic.
But there's a new exhibit at the Galleria Center in Scottsdale that takes you through what life was like on this doomed voyage. Corey's there at this brand new exhibit.
Good evening again, everybody, and welcome back to Titanic, an immersive voyage. This is, not everyone can get down to the wreck site. Only about 250 or so people have ever been down there, but it's scattered over about 2.5 miles, and there's a way to see it. Jessica Sanders is with us again. Describe what is in your hand. Should I be afraid of it?
You should not. This is actually a gateway for you. This is a virtual reality headset that gives you an immersive opportunity to go and explore the wreck site.
Describe what do these squares mean? What are we looking at?
So this is a VR walkthrough. And so you're going to put your headset on.
Got it.
And you're going to go through different stops, and this is going to guide you through this immersive experience. You're going to get in digitally, you're going to get inside a submersible, and you're going to go down to the wreck site to be able to explore.
Okay, well, let's do it. And we've got a monitor in there to see what I'm seeing. So we'll let Max get his camera on in there, and we'll see what's what. Okay, so here we go. Now, should someone be holding my arm the whole time? Should I be worried? Oh wow, we're down there. And are we looking at actual video of the actual experience?
Yes. So you're getting a chance to see what, like you said, only a handful of people in the whole world ever get to see and ever get to experience.
Well, and from photographs that I've seen, the wreck itself, it's not going to live forever either. It's sort of deteriorating as the years go by. This is amazing. And wherever you turn your head, and now, who's this other guy? What's that head that I'm seeing? Would that be someone else with me?
Correct. So multiple people can participate in the VR experience at one time. So when you get your tickets, make sure you get the VIP tickets so that you get the VR experience.
All right. Well, I'm going to take this off, and boy, that's amazing. I love the world. Well, pop that back, and let's wrap things up by, I guess maybe on a more somber note. And you call this your memorial hall?
Memorial gallery. So as we're completing the exhibition, we go through and we talk a little bit about how the musicians played as the ship was sinking, and they stayed on board and they played "Nearer My God to Thee" to help people keep calm.
I think we've all heard these stories. Boy, it seems like a different time. I wonder if the same dedication to duty would exist today.
Even today, would they be women and children first? It's something to contemplate. But we end with the memorial gallery, and here you'll have a list of the passengers: first class, second class, third class, and crew, and they're divided by those who were saved and those who were lost.
Give us the website again.
It's expo-titanic.com, and unless you have the Fever app, and then you can get tickets through the Fever app as well.
Got it. And you're running through the end of 2026?
Correct, the end of the year, yes.
Good.
And we're do you want the address? Yeah. Yes, it's 4301 North Scottsdale Boulevard, and that's at the corner of 5th and North Scottsdale.
Gotcha. Well, easy to find for sure. And thanks for being our host. We really appreciate it. Jessica Sanders, she knows it all, but you can learn it all as well. You'll get to know passengers and crew and lots of inside info on the greatest maritime disaster to date, April 1912. Titanic, an immersive voyage, all happening here in Scottsdale.